look at the positional operator. That dollar sign we just saw, right? That was used in that array is referred to as the positional operator, right? Oops, this one over here, right? And it has a limit. It has a limit on what we can do. Notice that what we were doing was we were building the modules. Then we added lessons, and from the lessons we added a topic. We could just keep going, right? Adding widgets and whatnot, right? Or can we? Right. So let's back up a little bit, and let's create a course here. Let's create a course. Let's create a course here. So we have one course, and right now it's just course 1. And oops. And what we're going to try and do here is that we're going to try and set the modules, right? And set up a couple of modules and add a couple of lessons. You know, pretty much what we were doing earlier, right? Now in this case, now what we have here is that we have several levels, right? We have the course, we have the module, we have the lesson, we have the topic. The dollar sign operator stops working at the second level, right? It can iterate over the first set of arrays, but when it starts to iterate over the second array, right? The dollar sign operator loses its meaning, right? It doesn't know if you mean the outer array, right, or the inner array. Okay. So there's limitations of what type of manipulation can you do, right? Of embedding objects within objects, right? If you know the exact position, you can use it. For instance, if you know it's position number 0, right? You can specifically say, oh, the array elements in the position number 0, right? But you cannot use the dollar sign twice, right? The first one for the outer array and the second one for the inner array, right? You cannot do that. But if you know the position, you can certainly do that. So there's certainly a limitation of what you can do with Mongo all by itself, right? Instead, this is fairly restrictive what you can do at the command line. Ideally, what we'd like to be able to do is do something, programmatically, either from Node.js using some kind of library, and that's what we'll do next.